Hello viewers of Kritika's Vision, welcome to yet another episode of lecture series. Today we will continue with the powers and functions of the Parliament and the control over the executive or administrative affairs that we'll do today. So the Parliament has a control over the executives. How? In which manner? So number one is question hour. So question hour is also known as interpellation, or the first hour of sitting in both the houses is allotted for the asking and answering of question. Okay, now the purpose of the question is to obtain information on the matter of public importance or to discuss some grievance. So basically questions are asked from the executives, from the MPs, so that they can be kept at toes. Now they are the ones whom we have elected and they are representing us there. Now whether they are working properly or not, if they are working, on which policies they are working, what are the details of the policies, what extent that policy has been executed, all these details are asked in question hour through various type of questions. Now the question hour keeps the minister on their toes and it is a valuable protection against injustice and slackness on the part of the government. Okay, the next is the adjournment motion. Now what is an adjournment motion? Now motion for adjournment furnishes the opportunity to censure the acts of omission and commission of ministers and administrators. So basically what happens that if suddenly something grave mishap has taken place in a particular place, and like the killing of IPS officer or some other people, like many people got killed due to consumption of illegal unlicensed liquor. In this case, though the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, especially the Lok Sabha, though it will be going with its annual, with its per day basis, whatever work it is doing, but it will stop that work and it will start taking this newly cropped up agenda, which has been very important, like killing of IPS officer. So adjournment motion pinpoints the failure of the government in performance of its duties. So basically that government, the Parliament, shows that the policy makers, the executives, basically they have not worked well, hence this mishap has taken place. So keeping aside all the other day-to-day activities and discussing this particular act which has taken place and which has shook that particular nation or particular state or an area, that is taken into consideration. So basically it is pinpointing the failures of the government. Okay, so adjournment motion is all about this. Now please stay tuned to my channel and please kindly write questions